Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Pro 360 and in this video I am going to show you the overall looks for this laptop. So let's start. So guys, the color for this laptop is Moonstone Grey. You can completely rotate this laptop and you can use it as a tablet as well. So guys, this laptop has dynamic AMOLED 2X display with 120Hz of refresh rate. It also has the touch screen option so you can write, draw and navigate with responsive multi gestures. So here you can see I can easily scroll through different images in my browser, and then it also include this S Pen. So guys, this S Pen has 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity, so you can use it for note taking, for drawing, for sketching. For example, here I will open my Samsung Notes and here you can see I can easily write on my screen using this S Pen. Now let's talk about charging and battery life. So guys, this laptop also includes this super fast 65 watt type C adapter with type C charging cable. So it will take about 30 minutes and it will give you 35% of charging. For complete charge, it will take about 2 hours. Now let's talk about the battery life. So the battery life is between 9 to 10 hours with medium brightness and video watching on YouTube. If you do a little bit of work, watching videos with light gaming and browsing the web, the battery will last about 6 to 7 hours. And if you do heavy gaming, it will last about 2 to 3 hours. So it has built-in Intel Arc graphics. So guys, here you can see the gaming experience on Galaxy Book 4 Pro 360. Everything is working perfectly smooth. So guys, please note that it's not gonna be a replacement for gaming laptop. So I don't recommend it for heavy duty gaming. So I am playing this Asphalt 9 Legends. You can see the performance of this game. Now let's talk about the keyboard. So the keyboard has backlight and it also has this numeric keypad. The keys are super quality with solid feedback. So here you can have a closer look for the keys. The next thing is about this massive smooth trackpad. So you can also customize this trackpad for scrolling speed. Now let's talk about the fingerprint sensor. So the fingerprint sensor is embedded in the power key, so you can log in by just tapping on this key. The thickness of this laptop is 12.8 mm when the laptop is closed and the weight is 1.66 kg. So you can easily put in your backpack. So here you can see the front side, and now let's move to the left side where we have ports. So on this side we have this HDMI port and then we have two USB-C Thunderbolt 4 ports. You can use any of these ports for charging, and guys, you can also use this laptop in portrait mode. So here on top we have this Samsung logo, so you can see it reflects different colors under light. Now let's have a closer look on the other side of this laptop. So here we have this USB type A port, then we have this micro SD expansion slot, and then we have this 3.5 mm audio jack. So you can add up to 2 TB of SD card in this laptop. Now let's have a look from the back side. So here you can see the hinges, and here we have this ventilation system. The hinges are durable and made out of solid material. Now let's have a look at the bottom side. So here you can see we have quad speaker system. So one speaker on this side and then we have speaker on the bottom. And guys, these speakers are sound by AKG. So here you can see it is also written over here, and it also has the Dolby Atmos option. So the other speaker is on another side. So here you can see the speakers, and then you can see the overall look from the back side, and here we have these hinges. Now let's talk about some of the specs. So guys, this laptop has Intel Core Ultra 7 processor with 16 GB of RAM and the storage is 512 GB SSD. The next thing is this laptop also has anti-reflecting cover glass which decreases the amount of unwanted reflections and glare. It also has vision booster technology so you can see the screen even in bright sunlight. The screen size is 16-inch. So guys, you can use this laptop for note taking, content creation, video editing and drawing. I already made a separate video about detailed features of this laptop. You can also watch that video. Now I will do the unboxing. So here you can see we have this box for Galaxy Book 4 Pro 360 and now I will open this box and here we have this super fast 65 watt adapter and then here we have our laptop and you can see this paper cover. So I will take it out from this paper cover. So here you can see we have this moonstone gray color for this laptop and now I will also show you from the back side. So here we have this quad speaker system and then we have this S Pen. I already made a separate video about S Pen features. And then here we have this type C charging cable. And now I will open this laptop and then I will turn it on. So here you can see, so here we have this backlight keyboard and now you can see here we have this power key, so you can use it to turn it on. So you can see the laptop is now turned on. So guys, you also have the option for multi-control, so you can control your phone through this laptop. We also have the option for Samsung connected system. You can also receive and decline calls using Galaxy Book 4 Pro 360. And guys, there are 4 note-taking apps pre-installed in this laptop. So here you can have a closer look. You also have the option of screen recorder and Samsung Studio Plus is pre-installed in this laptop, so you can edit your videos as well. So guys, this is for today's video. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.